Hello everyone, I'm Anija Jingan. Today I'm going to teach you about the basic data types of Python. Okay. In my previous video, I have discussed about the what is Python, what are the features of Python, why you should use it, who are transitioning into the data science, or maybe they want to give in another career like a development, and what are the real-time applications, how to set up a Python on a local environment and online. And apart from this, we have also discussed about the which language you should choose between R and Python. If you didn't watch my previous video, please go back. I have mentioned the first video link in the description box. You can watch that video and continue with my second video. Okay. And so let's start today's video. Okay. So what was I would like, before starting it, I would like to ask a one question. So what was the first professional tip I have given you in the previous video? If you remember, you can write it in the comment box. Okay. Okay. The first one is you should title your notebook with a very professional name. For example, today I'm going to talk about the basic data types of Python. So I rename it my title with the basic data types Python. It's very important. Okay. In long run, if you want to be an excellent programmer, these are the small, like the things which is highly recommended. Okay. After renaming it, what is the second thing? You need to give the title or heading in your file, what you are going to do in your file. So I'm going to teach you today, discuss about the basic data types in Python. So that's why I have written this line, heading. Okay. Now we can start. First of all, I will tell you about the what is variable in Python. Okay. So I will write a one comment heading here. You can write the comment in the comment box. Sorry, in the code cell using hash. Okay. And now I will declare one variable. I will say first underscore name. So what is this? This is variable name. Okay. And I need to assign, if I'm saying first underscore name, okay, I will assign the first name to it. Okay. Again, the second recommendation, when you are declaring the variable name, it should also look very professional. What kind of value you are assigning to the variable? It should, your variable name should present that thing. Okay. So, in this case, when this is your like variable name, right? This one. So, whenever you are writing this, you can assign the first name to this one. So this is variable name, this is value. Okay. So this is called the variable name in Python. You can assign any type of value to it, integer, float, numeric, string, whatever you like. Okay. So the biggest the advantage to declaring a variable in Python, you don't need to tell Python what type of value you are assigning to a variable. In other languages, you need to tell the interpreter this is string. If it is integer value, you will say int. But in Python, it's not required at all. Python itself, it's a very intelligent language. So it is automatically recognize what type of value you are assigning to a variable. I will show you. You can check the type of the value assigned to a variable using the inbuilt method. This is type, like this. Okay, see, it will tell you it's a string data type. So Python is very intelligent. Is it easy? You can also open your notebook with me and you can type the code. It will be it will be a lot of fun. Okay, and if you type your code like daily, if you even spend a 15-minute or half an hour from your busy schedule to type a simple code, you never need to cram the code. You will start understanding the logic, and you don't need a Google when you are typing the code, because if you are doing it daily, it's automatically you will understand it more. Okay, and don't worry if errors come up. This means you are doing something, you are learning. Don't afraid of errors. If errors will come, then only you will become an excellent programmer. Okay, so now the second important thing about the variable is naming convention or pattern. Okay, so this means I will tell you how you should not declare the variable name. Number one, if I say 123 first underscore name, it will give you the error. You cannot declare the variable name in Python starting with the integer. This is wrong. Okay. The second thing, I will remove it and I will give a space here. This is also an invalid syntax. You can see Python is so user friendly. It is telling you direct syntax error is invalid syntax. Okay, so it's easy to read. It is also telling you the line number as well. So if you have 1,000 pieces of code, it will tell you at which line you have an error and what type of error it is. Okay, and this other thing is you cannot use the hyphen in between. Okay, because it will take the hyphen as an operator in Python. This is an inbuilt operator. Don't worry about right now operator methods or functions. We will discuss it in our upcoming videos. Okay, but there are mainly three ways you cannot declare the variable name. I will write it here and comment it for your future use. So you should not declare your name like this. The naming convention or pattern should not use in Python. Okay, I will share the notebook in the description box so you can download and use it later on for your practice. Okay, so first name, and then you can give the space. Okay, so you can try it later on as well, or either you can do the coding with me. So this was like all about the variables naming. I have assigned the string. You can try at your end with the integer with the float numbers by assigning any value to the variable name. But remember, your variable name should look very professional. Okay. Now the next thing we are going to talk about the here integer data type. How it look like? We will say, let's say I'm checking the marks of the Eric. So I will say total underscore marks. I will say 560. Okay. So what is this? What is the type of this one? This is total underscore marks. So this is integer data type. Okay. Same we can try with the, let's say, age. Okay. So we can try the age data type. Sorry, float data type. This is your integer data type. Okay. So we will write here age is equals to 18.5. This means 18 years, 5 months. So you can check the type of this one as well, like age. Okay. Now you can try at your end. Okay. So these are the basic data types in Python. Apart from this, there is a one major other basic data type, which is very, very popular. And in when you will start learning after Python and playing with the data, you will find this data type oftenly. And this is the major, like the algorithm as well in machine learning, that is called Boolean. Okay. So how would you declare that? We will say, let's say you are checking the status of anything. You will say status is equals to true. Okay. This is, I'm just giving you the example. When you are writing the program, you are exiting, adding anything, you can put the condition. Okay. True, false, positive, negative. Okay. Right, wrong. So now, if we check the type of status, it will tell you it's a Boolean type. So Boolean is a two, either zero value or one. True means one, zero means false. Okay. So this is the very, very useful in data science. These are all data types, and Boolean is the oftenly used data type in machine learning. This will be used in classification problems. Okay. So this is about our basic data types. And now I am giving you one homework. Don't go anywhere. Okay. So what you need to do, you will write a program to declare first name, last name, age, subject 1, subject 2. If you want, you can give any name, subject 1 to subject 2, math, science. Okay. Subject 1, marks, and subject 2, marks, and rank in the class. Okay. So you need to declare all the values and print it. Okay. I forgot one thing. I will tell you how you can print everything in a one line. Okay. So this is your homework. We will add one more cell here. So if you want to print everything we have declared above in a one line, how would you do that? You can use this format function. Okay. You will say print round brackets F, and then you will say first underscore name colon, then curl brackets, first name, then comma, then you will say total underscore marks, colon, curl bracket, total marks, comma, and then you can define age. Here, the variable you declared this one, now we will print it. You can see everything is printed in a one line and it looks very professional. So this is called format function in Python. This one. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay. This is very, very popular. If you want your professional output in a one line, you can use this. This is called how you can adding the extra strings. This is you can change it. This is not fixed according to your value. I wanted to print the first name. That's why I said first name. Okay, total marks, and this is inside the curl, the your variable name, the variable you declared above will come. Okay, and then you can close the bracket and you can print it. You also need to, when you are doing this program, you need to print everything in a one line. I can show you if you are going to print the thing in a your one line without format function, how it look like. So what I will do, we can copy and paste to make it more quicker. So we will remove this. You can see the difference, right? So which one is looking more professional? The above. Okay. Okay, I will not take your too much time now. And thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to do this homework, share the notebook with me. I will definitely reply back to you and give my the recommendations and tips how you can write it more good and how you are doing. And thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who want to transition their career in AI. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.